Every year now for the last 5 years, we have travelled the short journey north from Gloucester to Birmingham to attend the classic car show at the NEC. It is a huge venue hosting a variety of stands, from car jumble, dedicated vehicle make and model stands, and club stands. Lots of stunning cars can be viewed or purchased, along with many trade stands, including ours. It is always a very enjoyable show to attend, with many previous customers visiting along with people looking to make their first purchase with us. We are always happy to help and answer any questions when we can. The first day, Jeanette and myself ventured over to Oxford University's Motorsport Foundation stand to meet and talk with Ding, the main man, to find out the history of OUMF, what is happening currently, and what we can expect in the future.
Well, OUMF was formed in 2005, mainly by a group of students who were not particularly impressed with the amount of practical and hands-on engineering that they were getting at a university in Oxford. This little car, on which you've so kindly helped with Artex welding and so on, is now nearly finished. One bit more Artec welding to do on the tunnel, and then it's going to be painted and hopefully out on the track in the hands of these guys who are going to be running it next season. But thank you at Artex so much for the brilliant equipment, which has opened all sorts of doors for the guys. And skills, we've never had a situation before where most of the guys in the club can now weld, which is phenomenal. And I imagine that many of the students who've had the joy of using your kit will be queuing up when they leave and have got enough money to buy it themselves, because they've acquired a skill they never thought they'd gain, which is fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
So come to the end of day one at the NEC. It's been a good day. Lots of visitors, lots of people come over and said hello, so we appreciate that. So yeah, we've got 2 more days. This is it for today. Start all over again tomorrow. We're going to visit a couple more people tomorrow. We've got people visiting us in the stand as well, and hopefully get them on film. It should be good. A little bit, yeah.
Test. Hello, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. I got cake in my mouth.
I've come over to Xtreme to meet Rob.
Hello, Ben.
Hello, mate. Yeah, we know each other a lot. We are actually on the same estate, so we've seen each other over the years. Yeah, and obviously displaying the CNC stuff, using our cutters. You've had Trev over here, and
we've had Trev, we've had Matt, we've had John from Doubleboost. Yeah, and we just had the whole YouTube crowd out. Jason as well.
All the YouTubers.
All the YouTubers.
This has been your first big show, though, hasn't it?
Oh, yeah, mate. How is it? It's been manic.
Yeah.
I just couldn't believe.
I know. Yeah, I remember.
My legs are aching.
I remember you coming over Saturday, just going, I can't talk anymore. Yeah,
I got a sore throat, so I probably got a different accent.
Yeah.
It was good. I definitely would do this again. Yeah. There's a few changes I would do because now I'm used to it, but the positive response we've got is awesome.
Yeah. Your phone's gonna be busy Monday. Yeah.
I am actually dreading that.
Yeah.
You know.
I think if we can, we should be next to each other as well next year.
It's basically, I did say that, I did mention that, but it's basically I think a lot of people want machines and they're going to be disappointed because of the lead times.
Because of the lead times, yeah.
Because it's just...
So just for people to know, Rob's he's making these on order pretty much. So,
They are made to order.
Yeah.
I said, from even before we did the show, we had orders up until March.
Yeah.
Because it's just manic on machines. So it's gone really well for us.
Good stuff, yeah.
So,
yeah, it's all good.
I'm
glad it's gone well for you.
Well, I am as well. We put a lot of time and investment into this.
Yeah, definitely.
And I said, working with yourselves as well.
Yeah.
So with a great power unit like that, we just wipe the competition.
Yeah.
And that's what it's about. It's just bring the product to the market at the right price. At the right price.
Yeah. So if anyone's looking for CNC stuff, definitely give Rob a shout. A bit of a lead time, but it's worth the wait.
Yep.
Yeah. Cheers, bud.
Take care.
Nice one.
Oh, I hope that went well. Woohoo! Cut.
So I'm here with Peter, who was our competition winner on Facebook. He won a couple of tickets to the show by commenting on a post. So yeah, you're here now. It's the second day. Obviously you weren't here yesterday, were you?
No.
But, yeah, how you finding it today? Any good?
It's huge.
Yeah, there's a big show.
It is massive.
Yeah. It's a good sort of 5 halls, I believe, isn't it? So yeah, it's a decent size.
This is the first hole I've got to yet.
Yeah. So yeah, you've got plenty to look around. Just thought, quick catch up with Peter on, because he's our competition winner. So yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show, buddy.
I will.
Cheers.
Well, this is a BSA Bantam, 1964 vintage.
Right, I thought I'd grab fellow employee Mike along because we've had lots of interest and it's his bike that we've had on the stand. And yeah, there's been a bit of interest. So I thought anyone who might be interested in watching this, just to hear a bit of a backstory. So yeah, Mike, what is it? And yeah, give us a bit of info.
Yeah, sure. This is my lovely BSA Bantam D7, which is a 175cc, 2-stroke single. I've had this since 2004. My dear friend Lewis Duffield, he restored this bike, part of his retirement project in 1998. Unfortunately, he had a stroke in 2003 and he passed away, and he left it to me. I've had this bike ever since then. I've had a couple of engine rebuilds and I keep running it on the road, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's priceless to me, and every time I ride it I think of him. But it's a lovely little bike. Not the fastest, but it certainly does do it.
And like we said, I said to you, didn't I, at one point, the key thing I think that's happening is a lot of people come over and they're just like, I had one of those, and it's that relatable sort of old school little bike, and it's gone down really well.
Absolutely.
So,
a lot of people, it's their first motorbike, so they might have had it at 17, 18 years old, and there's a lot of good memories at that age. Absolutely.
So we appreciate you letting us have it on the stand.
But you're welcome.
It's been good, hasn't it? Yeah. You enjoyed the show? Yeah.
Absolutely great. You're really good.
Busy. Yeah,
really
lots of people come by. So yeah. Cheers, bud.
Okay,
nice one.
Cheers, mate.
Day 2 done.
Day 3, bring it on.
How was second day, Mike?
Sport rider.
Very good, thank you.
Good.
Yeah, very successful. Absolutely. Yeah, really good.
Smash into it with brilliant Lily. Welcome to our...
I'm in. No, I can't put that in there.
How was your day today, Aaron? Chestnuts.
So here we go, final day at the NEC. Last couple of days have been really busy. Yesterday was definitely busier than Friday. But yeah, last day, last slog to go. Been good. So we're here with John from Doubleboost. Many of you will probably know of John and his videos and stuff he's done for us. So yeah, appreciate that as always. Yeah, John's also been with Rob over at Xtreme with the CNC stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd just grab John for a few minutes and just talk about enjoying the show.
Yeah,
and how's it been?
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, it's been good. So yeah, how's the show been good? Enjoyed? Yeah.
First time I've been here, I'm blown away with the amount of stuff, the cars.
Yeah, it's huge.
I work on cars for a living. I don't particularly like them, but there's some really nice cars here.
Yeah.
Some nice welding gear. Plus Rob sells his plasma table.
Yeah.
I've got another all-type welder to do a review on.
Yeah.
160.
I think it's that one there, 160.
Yeah.
160
straightforward to DC inverter, fully digital. I'm looking forward to getting stuck into that. It's the same format as me, that reviews, I would think.
Exactly, so you got that to look out for on John's channel. That'll be coming up at some point.
Next 2 or 3 weeks, I would think.
So that should be good. Be interesting to see how you get on with it. Like you say, it's similar to your other stuff anyway.
Yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, appreciate you coming along and
no problem, pleasure.
Yeah, just meeting the team and just like everyone else really.
Here all day tomorrow, so that's good. I'll get some video and I'll video you tomorrow.
Yeah, it'd be my turn. Yeah,
your turn.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Pleasure. Yeah.
Perfect.
I do.
So I'm here with Jason Andrews from Making Metal. That's his YouTube channel. So if you haven't checked that out, we're just having a little catch up with anyone who's sort of used our kit and things. And you've got, I believe, TIG 201.
Yeah, with a 201.
Plasma cutter as well.
50 HF.
Yeah, plasma 50.
Couple of your masks.
Yeah, I saw your video with our mask as well. So that's appreciated.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
A few bits of our stuff. Yeah, you've been here with Xtreme as well, haven't you?
I'm here
helping him out a little bit on his stand.
Xtreme.
But have you managed to walk around much on the show? Or?
I've not really had much chance to get around, but the bits I have seen there's some amazing stuff here. Absolutely amazing.
It's huge as well. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, loads of people.
Easy to get lost.
Yeah, definitely.
I spent an hour trying to find Xtreme this morning.
You've been there all weekend.
Oh god, yeah. It was an absolute nightmare. So many ways in and out.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm going to see sort of more videos coming up, are we, from yourself? So
I've got a few lined up, a few creative ones. I've also got a car build coming up. Next couple of months I'll probably start that. It's going to be a Volkswagen Subaru shoehorn job.
That'll be interesting. Yeah, nice one.
It's going to be lethal.
Yeah. It should be good fun. Yeah, look forward to that.
It's going to be lethal.
So keep an eye on that. We'll just keep in touch, and obviously any bits you need, let us know.
Definitely, will do. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Cheers. Thanks, Ben. Friday.
Coming towards the end of the show. It's been mental. Really good. Fantastic show as always. Lots of people, lots of sales, lots of advice. Thanks to everyone that's come along. Thanks to everyone who's purchased with us. And all the support's always appreciated. And we'll be back probably in March for another one. Do it all over again. We've got sort of half an hour now, and then we can start packing up, get the van in, and head back to Gloucester. So it's only an hour or so away. A long weekend. It's definitely worth it. We've definitely got a long, busy week coming up.